Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Nikon Z8 is rumored to be announced in Q1 of 2023, expect March to April timeframe. There is still a chance that Nikon might announce the development of Nikon Z8 later this year. The specs of Nikon Z8 is still unconfirmed. It could be a baby Nikon Z9 without the built-in grip, and it also could be a mirrorless version of Nikon D850 with 60+ megapixel full-frame sensor. It is being said that the high-resolution full-frame mirrorless camera will use a 67 megapixel sensor to kill the current Nikon Z7 II. Here are the two main rumors about the Nikon Z8 features. Nikon Z8 will be a camera like the current Nikon Z9 without the vertical grip, same sensor as the Z9 but smaller body. This makes sense since it's basically impossible to get the same performance as Nikon Z9 in a smaller body. Mirrorless version of Nikon D850, slower, higher resolution camera, possibly 60 megapixel plus, and $3,499 price point. This seems reasonable. If this is the case, Nikon is trying to repeat the huge success of the D850. Whatever the specifications of Nikon Z8, those who have seen or tried it seem to be very excited about this camera and believe it will be even more of a hit th Nikon Z8 and the current Nikon Z9. Now let's have a look at the rumored Nikon Z8 specs so far. 61.2 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. Pixel shift, 8 to 16 image pixel shift to get 200 megapixel plus images. 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that promises 5.5 stop stabilization. A native ISO range of 64 to 25,600. Expandable to 32 to 102,400. 6K video, 12-bit RAW video, dual CF express card slots, full-featured battery grip that can use NEL18C battery, USB 3.1 Type-C, basic features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a built-in microphone. Please do share your thoughts about upcoming Nikon Z8 in the comments. Stay tuned till the next video.